続きましてバードこと陣内聡一郎さんによりますアーティストジョージを知ってくれです。陣内さん、よろしくお願いします。
皆さんこんにちは。僕は佐賀県出身、バードこと陣内聡一郎です。今日は僕の大好きなアーティストジョージについて紹介します。まずはこちらのビデオをご覧ください。ご覧のように彼はとても過激なビデオを YouTube に投稿していました。その結果、視聴者がより過激な投稿を望むようになり、彼はそのプレッシャーから1年間の活動休止を余儀なくされました。ですが1年後、めっちゃユニークなアーティストになってカムバックしてきました。なんとそのアルバムはビルボードHipHop R&B 部門で1位を取りました。今日彼は世界中から尊敬されています。それではジョージを紹介します。よろしくお願いします。1992, 28th of September, he was born in Osaka. He spent school life in Japan until junior high school. He went to international high school when he was 16. He started to upload videos on YouTube as disaster music with his high school friends. The content of the videos was very dirty, so it can be explained here at the time. He got famous with good and bad meaning, but he stopped uploading videos on YouTube because of pressure from watchers who wanted to watch more radical stuff. After a year, he returned with a Broken Heart album, which is beautiful and emotional, named Part 1. As I said at the beginning, this album reached number 1 on the Billboard R&B Hip-Hop chart in America. A song on the album called Slow Dancing in the Dark has been played 500 million times on Spotify streaming service. I like this song because of its sharp, noisy, and mellow pop taste. Moreover, it's his new style, with a low and sad but refined sound. Sadness, loneliness, and overwhelming beauty exist at the same time in his songs. They still make our hearts. He is well known as a Japanese artist. Most of my overseas friends know him. I'm very proud of him as the same Japanese. Young people's worries are universally common, right? So why don't you listen his music and give consideration to your worries? I'm sure that his songs would be with you. Everyone, please touch his music. You can open the door to a new world of music. Thank you for listening.
ありがとうございました。アンドリュー先生、コメントお願いします。
No, Bert, thank you very much. Actually, I had never heard of Joji, but now I'm interested in him, so I will definitely check out his music. It's interesting that he was one kind of artist, but then he stopped being active for a year, and then he came back doing something completely different and found success that way. I thought that was really interesting. And I like to see the way you described why you liked him. Also, I was really happy that you said you were proud of him because you are Japanese like him, but he's actually half Japanese because one of his parents is Australian. So I'm happy that you accept him just as Japanese and don't think of him as half. So I was happy to hear that too. Of course, I have a half Japanese son, so I also hope that he will be accepted as Japanese like you or any other Japanese person. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ケンちゃん、コメントお願いします。
ジョージっていう人はお父さんが日本人、お母さんが日本人。
お父さんがオーストラリア人。
オーストラリア人でお母さんが日本人。
そうです。
ああ、なるほどね。そして今オーストラリアにいるんですか、ジョージは。
いや、ニューヨークに。
あ、ニューヨークにいるんだ。ああ、もう全然知らないので、どうやってこういうアーティストを見つけ出すのかなと、これネットで見つけ出したんですか。
そうです。
ああ、なるほどね。君のいろんな世界はいろんな才能があるので、もうちょっともうどんどん出てきたらいろんなのを発揮できるから、これを契機にどんどん頑張ってくださいね。
はい。
いいプレゼンテーションでした。ご苦労様。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございました。